Hi, Chris here from Mamba GaGa. I'm here to show you what to do to repair a hinge pin where the cap has come off. First thing you want to do, this is dried rubberized glue, and you can just usually work it off, just pull it off. Again, it's elastic, it'll snap off. Just clean off the old glue. Roll it around a little bit. And you also want to make sure if there's any on the inside that you clean that up a little bit as well. You'll need one of these insert plugs to put into the pin first. The best way to do that is set it down on a hard surface or even the floor. Line the tube up on top of it and just push down. You don't want to hit it too hard with a hammer or anything like that to get it in, because that'll mushroom it around outside of the tube and make it hard to insert into your hinge. Okay, the next thing you'll need, E6000 glue. Unscrew the cap, invert it. There's a little pin on the other side of the cap. Just makes a little hole in the foil at the end. Then what you're going to want to do is take your new rubber cap and just put spread a light amount all the way on the inside and the top, and then a slight bead right around the opening all the way around. You also want to take your glue, spread a light amount on the top of the plug, and just go right around the edge of the bar. Just again, a very, very thin layer all the way around. The way the E6000 works is it's actually like a two-part adhesive. So after you've spread it inside the cap and on top of the hinge pin, you wait 2 to 3 minutes before putting the cap on and twisting it as it goes on. That ensures that the glue is evenly spread all the way around, and just push it on, make sure it's fully seated. This cures in 24 hours, maximum strength in 72 hours. Now the other thing I mentioned earlier is sometimes the bottom plug just mushroom out from contact with the ground if it's on a rock or something, and that would make it hard to insert into the hinge. So if you do need to remove one that's flattened out, just take a plier and twist it right out. And again, to insert the new plug, just put it down on a hard surface, take the hinge pin and just push it down on top of it. Again, you don't want to use too much force to mushroom that out. And there you have a repaired hinge pin.